Welcome back to the channel. I am Jolly, your host, and the girl who probably spends more time debugging her life than she does actually fixing her hair. Seriously, if my hair had a compile button, I would still be getting syntax errors every morning. Today, we are starting a brand new series on Indian tech startups. Our first star is Altor Smart Mobility. This is not just a business plan with fancy office snacks. This story started with a bond of friendship and a tragic loss that is way too common on our roads. Back in 2018, 4 engineering friends from West Bengal lost a close friend in a bike accident. The heartbreak was that he might have survived if medical help had arrived just a little bit sooner. They realized that in those critical moments, technology could have been the difference between life and death. So, grief turned into a relentless mission to ensure no rider is ever alone in their most vulnerable moment. This led to the Altor Smart Helmet. It's not just a brain bucket, it's an intelligent partner for your journey. It is like having a tech support BFF watching over you while you ride through the chaos of Indian traffic. Let us talk about accident detection. This is the heart of the tech. If a rider faces an accident, sensors detect it instantly. The helmet triggers the Altor app to send an emergency alert with your last known location to your contacts. In India, a fraction of a second changes everything. This system bridges the dangerous gap between a crash and getting help. It's pure peace of mind delivered in a helmet shell that is internationally certified. Now, let us talk about the phone in helmet struggle. We have all seen it, someone trying to tuck their phone into their helmet while riding. It's like trying to fit a giant bread into a toaster, dangerous, messy, and a total compromise of your control. Altor fixed this with integrated swipe pads directly on the helmet shell. You can manage calls and music with a simple finger gesture. Hands on the bars, eyes on the road, always. This is not just convenience, it is command. Stop rock concert of wind and horns. That wind roar causes massive mental and physical fatigue. Altor's intelligent noise cancellation filters that roar out while keeping you tuned to sirens and navigation. The Altor app is the brain of the operation. It analyzes your riding behavior to help you become a safer, more efficient rider. It even has gamification. You earn points and rewards for riding safely. Who knew being a good human could get you coupons? These guys even took their vision to Shark Tank India. They told the sharks they do not just want to be a helmet company, they are a tech company for smart headgear. They wanted to create an ecosystem that honors the friend who inspired it all. With a super long battery life, these helmets are built for everything from your daily office commute to those epic weekend tours. It is world-class mobility tech, made in India, powered by innovation and empathy. I am obsessed with this because they prove tech's greatest purpose is to protect and connect us. If you are a rider, your gear should be as smart as your phone. Do not let a fraction of a second catch you off guard. I am Jolly, and I will see you in the next one. Hit that like and subscribe button if you think every biker in India needs a brainy bucket. Comment Altor if you are ready to ride safe and ride smart. Try not to break production or your computers this week, and stay safe out there. Bye.